Actually, the relationship between Iran and India, and I can say more than relationship, the friendship between Iran and India rooted to 5,000 years. Iran connected to India by cultural, by philosophy, by mysticism, by civilization, and they had very strong relationship. Even I remember our supreme leader was saying to me that if you want to understand the history of Iran deeply, you have to study the history of India very deeply. As well as if anyone wants to know the history of India, he has to know history of Iran, because the history of these two countries and civilization of these two countries are very close and mix each other. There are a lot of Iranians who moved from Iran to India, and there are also some Indians who moved from India to Iran, which means that there were a lot of exchange between the people, between the cultural, between the civilization, between the education. And also, you know, from Iran, a lot of people have come here, immigrated for studying. This means that they were coming here and there was very good relationship between Iran and India. And I heard that recently they got some evidences for the descendants of Ayatollah Khamenei in India, which is very wonderful. Thank you very much.